In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly transition your online store from Wix to Shopify. This process can seem daunting, but with a bit of guidance, you'll have your new store up and running in no time. So let's dive in and make this transition as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to your dashboard and locate the section where your product data is stored. It's important to ensure that all your product information is accurate and up to date because this is what you'll be exporting for use in Shopify. Once you're ready, go ahead and export your product data as a CSV file. This file will hold all the necessary details about your inventory, making it easier to transfer everything to your new Shopify store. Next, you'll need to create an account on Shopify. If you haven't done this already, visit the Shopify website and sign up. As you go through the sign-up process, you'll be asked to set up your store. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your store name and other relevant details. Once that's complete, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard, which will be your control center for managing your online storefront. With your Shopify account set up, it's time to import the product data you previously exported from Wix. In the Shopify admin, navigate to the Products section and find the Import option. Here, you'll upload the CSV file you saved earlier. Shopify will guide you through this process, ensuring your product listings are accurately imported. Verify everything looks correct. This is a key step to ensure your store functions properly. Now that your products are in, it's time to focus on the look and feel of your Shopify store. Recreate your pages and design by selecting a Shopify theme that matches your brand's aesthetic and functionality needs. Shopify offers a variety of themes, so take time to explore these options. Customize your chosen theme to align with your brand identity. This includes adjusting layouts, fonts, and colors to create a cohesive and inviting shopping experience for your customers. With the design tailored to your satisfaction, proceed to set up your payment and shipping settings. Shopify provides multiple payment gateways, so select the ones that best suit your business's operational needs. Similarly, configure your shipping settings to reflect your pricing models and delivery options. This setup is crucial for ensuring smooth transaction processes and customer satisfaction. Finally, after everything has been reviewed and double-checked, you can confidently launch your Shopify store. It's an exciting moment knowing all your efforts are now ready to be unveiled to the world. Congratulations, you've successfully transitioned from Wix to Shopify. If any issues arise, remember that both Wix and Shopify offer comprehensive support resources to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope your new Shopify store thrives with this fresh start.